low brace is another one of those canoeing skills where even if it's taught all of the motions initially, most students, the actual reality of their learning process is more spiraling. When I think back to my first time learning low bracing, I benefited greatly from it being broken down to more digestible chunks that I could go and have success at before moving on to the next. In that spirit, this video is the first of 4 attempting to break the low brace down in chunks from beginner to expert. The first is just the beginner low brace is, even if the person demonstrates some of the more advanced parts of the low brace by dropping their head and even somewhat their body, beginner low brace is more of a beaver tail slap. A low brace is if your canoe is tipping to your onside, it's a way to bring it back. And a beginner low brace is often like that, just a beaver tail slap. One way to practice this is to have a person grab the front of your boat and try to tip you to your onside. And when they try to tip you, they don't hang on to that side, they just give you hard motion that way, randomly. And you have to recover with a low brace. I'll just be doing that myself.